Senegal has just launched a new railway line that will help boost the nation's economy. The railway line will link the capital city to different areas in the nation. This project is a part of the nation's development goals. The railway line is being launched just barely a month to the nation's general election. The rail project is worth about $459 million and will also be the first railway line in the nation's history. Meanwhile, the government hopes that this project will aid in turning the country into an African investment destination. Managing Director of Alstom, Raphael Bernardelli, said the project was an encouraging sign of the growth of opportunities. He also said it will help the region as it currently has the worst road infrastructure. Alstom is in charge of supplying the train with 15 dual-mode electric and diesel, and there are already 3 of the train in the nation so far. Senegal's President Macky Sall said the first phase will link the capital Dakar to different cities. He also said it will not be functional till mid-2021. The first phase took 2 years to complete, and the project is financed by different stakeholders in the global market. The train will carry over 1,000 passengers every day. The Train Express Regional (TER) is airport rail link in Senegal that connects Dakar with the Blaise Diagne International Airport. It will be built by French companies NG and Thales Group. The contract is valued at €2 billion. Travel time between the city and the airport is expected to be under 50 minutes. The Train Express Regional will serve 14 stations on a 55-kilometers route. Ridership is estimated at 115,000 passengers per day. The rolling stock will consist of 15 4-car Alstom's Corridor polyvalent dual-mode multiple units. The line will be built in 2 stages, with the first covering 36 kilometers from the city of Dakar to Diamniadio, while the second stage covering 19 kilometers more to the airport. Construction began in the third quarter of 2016 and is expected to be completed in 2021. The line was inaugurated by President Macky Sall on January 14, 2019, but has yet to enter operational. Dakar's current collective transport system comprises buses, rapid coaches, taxis and the small suburban train, PTB. This system cannot satisfactorily meet travel needs estimated at 124,000 passengers during the morning peak period in Dakar. Accordingly, the project adopted by government is to replace the PTB with the future Regional Express Train, TER, to ensure transport services for the suburbs of Dakar by omnibus and possible semi-direct service. This project will blend with the lines of the Rapid Transit Bus (BRT) project and other existing and/or projected collective modes of transport. The objective is to contribute to the reorganization and consolidation of urban space in Dakar with a view to achieving the level of GDP growth defined in the Emerging Senegal Plan (PSE). This project features in the PSE 2014 to 2018 Priority Action Plan (PAP). At the sectoral level, the project will help increase and diversify collective transport services to meet the travel needs generated by Dakar's strong urban growth, as well as improve the service level of collective transport, with minimum effects on the environment. The project will help to link the Dakar city centre to its suburbs by a railway line, initiate the decongestion of Dakar city, improve movement conditions in metropolitan Dakar by reducing VOCs and increasing traffic and travel speeds, and take into account the service needs generated by the new airport and contribute to its attractiveness. It stretches over a total length of 57 kilometers between Dakar and the Blaise Diagne International Airport, AIBD. The project will consist in replacing current rail facilities, with a view to installing 4 future tracks, an electrified double track with standard gauge, UIC, dedicated to passenger transport, with a reference speed of 160 km per hour, which will replace service on the current PTB, a metric track for freight, a strip of land reserve developed into a maintenance and service track, which could be used in future to construct a 4th track. In addition, the project will ensure the renovation of multimodal stations, Dakar Plateau and Rufisque stations, and the construction of a multimodal station in Diamniadio, the construction of the Thiroye and Barni stations, the construction of 8 stops at Colobane, Han, Bu Mariches, Pikine, Yumbeul, Kourmaza, Mabau and PNR, the development of 2 maintenance sites, including one in Colobane for train maintenance and another in Rufisque for infrastructure maintenance, acquisition of bimodal rolling stock, electricity and diesel. Project components are presented in Table 1 below. The bank is being solicited to finance the systems component. Dhaka Regional Express Train, TER, is a railway line being built to connect Dhaka city centre with Blaise. The new line is being built by NG and Thales for the Senegal government's investment promotion agency APIX. Construction of Dhaka TER commenced in December 2016 and the first section was completed in January 2019. The project is scheduled for completion in 2020. Dhaka TER is an ultra-modern transport system that will link Dhaka with AIBD in 45 minutes through a 55 km long track passing through 14 stations. The project is being implemented in 2 phases, with Phase 1 involving the upgrade of the 36 km long existing infrastructure between Dhaka and Diamniadio stations. Phase 2 involves the construction of a 19 km long railway line between Diamniadio station and the AIBD. The new line is expected to transport approximately 115,000 passengers a day when it becomes fully operational. It will also replace the existing rail facilities and will have provision for the installation of 4 future tracks. An electrified double track with standard gauge for passengers and a metric track for freight will also be built. The project will also include the construction of a maintenance and service track, which can be converted into a 4th track in the future. The Dhaka Regional Express train line will be served by 14 stations and 2 maintenance sites, including an infrastructure maintenance site in Rufisque and a train maintenance site in Colobane. Multimodal stations at Dhaka Plateau and Rufisque will be renovated and a new multimodal station will be built in Diamniadio. The project will also involve the construction of Thiroye and Barni stations. New stations will be built at Colobane, Han, Bu Mariches, Pikine, Yumbeul, Kourmaza, Mabau, and PNR. A new station will also be constructed at the AIBD with connections to the terminals through a tunnel. Dhaka Regional Express Train will employ 15 Alstom Corridor polyvalent trains being delivered by Alstom between 2018 and 2019. The Corridor Polyvalent is a mainline dual-mode train intended for both diesel and electric, 25 kV operations. The 72 meters long Corridor Polyvalent train features 4 cars and has the capacity to accommodate up to 531 passengers across its first and second class layouts. Trains will operate with a headway time of 6 to 8 minutes. Trains will run at a speed of 160 km per hour and will be equipped with an efficient air conditioning system in accordance with the climatic and environmental conditions of the country. The low floor will ensure easy access and onboard movement for people with limited mobility. The project also involves the installation of technical systems, including European Train Control Systems, ETCS, Level 2, rail electrification systems, and associated signaling systems. Dhaka TER's line will be installed with the Global System for Mobile Communications Railway, GSMR, to ensure safe communications between drivers and signallers. Other systems include fire detection, real-time passenger information systems on platforms and vehicles, and a comprehensive ticket system. Stations and railway vehicles on the line will be installed with CCTV cameras and Wi-Fi connectivity will be provided to the passengers. The Dhaka TER project is estimated to attract an investment of €1 billion, $1.14 billion. The first phase of the project was funded by the African Development Bank, the Islamic Development Bank, the French Agency for Development, the French Treasury, and the Government of Senegal. ENGIE, INEO and Thales received a €225 million, $256.8 million, design-build contract from APIX for the Dhaka TER. A €373.5 million, $426 million, contract for the construction of the Dhaka TER was awarded by Senegalese government to a consortium of IFIG, Yapi Merkazi, and Compagnie Sahélienne d'Entreprise. Alstom was awarded a contract by APIX for the supply of 15 Corridor polyvalent trains in December 2016. Bolloré Logistics will carry out logistics operations of out-of-gauge packages and will also perform custom clearance formalities. Terrasol received a subcontract from IFIG to carry out geotechnical analysis of the foundations of the structures along the line. Project area. The project area covers the Dakar region and the two communes of Mise, Mise and Dias. The project traverses 19 communes in the Dakar and Mise regions as follows: Dakar Plateau, Han Bel Air, Dalafort Foirel, Guinor Rails Sud, Guinor Rails Nord, Pikine Est, Pikine West, Thiroye Gare, Yumbe al Sud, Mbao, Rufisque West, Rufisque Nord, Rufisque Est, Bani, Diamniadio and Serbikatani for the Dakar region, and Mise and Dias for the Mise region. It covers a surface area of 802 square kilometers, or 0.41% of Senegal's total surface area, with a population of nearly 3,500,000 inhabitants according to 2016 projections, or 23.65% of the country's population. This phase 1 of the project is developed on the existing PTB right-of-way up to Diamniadio, over a total length of 57 kilometers between Dakar and the Blaise Diagne International Airport. Furthermore, no matter the project area, there is need mobility for the population within and outside their community space due to the quality of motorways, bad roads in the rural area, lack of access roads to certain parts of neighborhoods in the urban area. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.